Hello students, now see, this is your exercise 2.3, right? We have done 2.2 in the last video. Here it is your exercise 2.3 and I am going to start your exercise, this exercise. So first question of this is the 1/4 of this, this and this. We have to find the 1/4 of this, 1/4 of this and 1/4 of this. It means we have to multiply this, right? We have to multiply it. Means solution of this you can write here 1/4 of first I am taking, which is a 1/4, right? So its 1/4 will be, now you can write 1/4 into, when you remove this off, then multiply sign will come 1/4, right? So here what you have to do, you have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominators, right? So 1 into 1 will be 1 and 4 4s are 16. So this will be your answer here in this case. Now second case, 1/4 of 3/5. So the second one is you have to find 1/4 of B, which is 3/5. 3/5, right? So now you can multiply this 3/5 here. So you can multiply this. This is 1/4. So write down it as it is, 1/4 into this is the 3/5, right? So 1 into 3 will be, this is the 1 and this is 3. So 1 into 3 will be 1 3s are 3 and 4 5s are 20. This is your answer here. And the last one I am solving here, the C1, first ka C, right, which is 1/4. So 1/4 of 4/3, 1/4 of 4/3. So you can write it like this, 1/4 into 4/3. Now you can see here this is in multiplication. So all denominator and all numerators you can multiply. But you can see here it is 4 and it is 4. 4 in numerator and 4 in denominator. 4 इकाई में numerator में और 4 इकाई में denominator. So you can cancel out this. 4 to 4 we cancel out. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 1 into 1 will be 1. And 1 into 1 will be 1. And 3 1s are 3. So this is your answer here. Like this you can solve this question. 1/7 you can multiply with this, this and this. This is a very easy question. Now come to the next part. Next question, that is B. Right. So this is your second question. Second question here. It's the first part. Multiply and reduce the lowest form. Lowest form means if there is any cancellation, then you have to cancel that number and you have to reduce it in the lowest form. So first one is 2/3 into 2 is to 2/3, right? Now first reduce, first make it a proper fraction. It is in mixed fraction. ये कैसा है? Mixed fraction type है. Now first convert it into proper fraction. So 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 8 upon में 3 will be as it is. Now multiply it. Numerator का numerator के साथ 2 8s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. Now we have to reduce in the lowest form. So this will not be our answer. This will be our answer, right? We cannot cancel out anything here. So this is our answer here, right? Like this. This is the very easy. You can solve it here. Second one. Let us see. Second one, 2/7 into 7/9, right? So 9 to 9 will cancel out. 9 to 9 will here. You can write one more time it, 2/7 into 7/9, right? So 7 to 7 will cancel out here and your answer will be 1 1. So 2 1s are 2 or 9 ones are 9. This will be your answer. Just like this, you can solve the remaining question here. Let us solve one more here. This is the fifth one. 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. Right. So see this, 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. So you can cancel out this. 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. So your answer will be here 5 ones are 5 and 8 ones are 8. This is your answer. So like this you can solve the remaining question. The C part, question 3, multiply the following fraction. So these are the following fraction. Here you have to multiply. It is just like this. You can see here there is a mixed fraction in every question, right? So यहाँ पे सिर्फ मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है सभी में, तो आपको प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में पहले कन्वर्ट करना होगा और फिर then after you have to convert it into then after you have to multiply it. So let us solve the first one, then remaining one you can solve. First one, which is 2 by 5 into 5 is to 1 by 4, right? Now, so first convert it into the proper fraction, which is 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21 upon 4, right? Now you can cut it here. What you can cancel? 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, right? So 21 1s are 21 upon 5 2s are 10. You cannot reduce from here. One more thing you can do in this, all the question here I forget here, you can convert it into the mixed fraction. अगर आंसर को आप मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो. It is not mentioned here in the question. क्वेश्चन में ये मेंशन नहीं है कि कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. क्वेश्चन में ये लिखा हुआ है बस कि कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द लोवेस्ट फॉर्म. सो इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना ये नेसेसरी नहीं है, right? But you can cancel, you can convert it into the mixed fraction. Now if you want to convert this, how you can convert it? Just like this, 21 divided by 10. So you can divide it by 2 times. 10 to the 20, 1 will remain, right? Now you cannot divide, so write down it. 2 is to 1 by 10. Means 2 times it is fully divided and 1 will be remainder, and when we divide it by 10, right? So this is your answer. You can do it for all this, right? मैंने नहीं किया, मैं भूल गया था, लेकिन कर लेना स्किल से देखिए. Understand? Now we can solve this remaining question here. I'm going to solve this one. Fourth, first, which is greater? So there is a 2 numbers. This is your first number and this is your second number. So you have to find this is greater or this one is greater. Means after multiplication. Means you have to first multiply this, then you have to tell that which one is greater. So fourth answer is, I am solving here first one, which is 2 by 7 into of लिख लो पहले, of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8, right? Now so 2 by 7, let us take first this one and solve it. Find the value of this. 2 by 7 into 3 by 4, right? Now 2 by 7 into 3 by 4, you can cancel out it here. What? 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are, so 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and 3 1s are 3 upon 2 7s are 14. Now let us solve this one. So this is here 3 by 5 into 5 by 8, 5 by 8, right? So you can cancel out here 5 to 5, 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3 upon 8 1s are 8. Now you can see this, the numerator are same, 3 and 3. Numerator दोनों का क्या है? Same है. So denominator are changed here, right? So now see, there is a one concept we will use. What is the concept here? If there is a two number which is 12 and 12 and I am taking that numerator are same and I am taking their denominator are different, so एक के नीचे मैंने लिखा 3, दूसरे नीचे 4, right? Now so when I divide it by 3, 12 को जब 3 से divide करूँगा तो it will come 4. Your answer will be 4. And when you divide it by 3 by 4, this 12 you divide by 4, then your answer will be 3. So what it means this one is greater. ये digit क्या है, ज़्यादा बड़ी है than this है, it is greater than 3. So for this you can say that this 12 upon 3 is greater than 12 upon 4. Yes or not, right? So you can tell this that this one is a greater than this one. Means जिसके numerator में smaller digit होगी वो क्या होगा, greater होगा, and जिसके numerator में denominator में greater digit होगी वो क्या होगा, less, right? You can see here. So that's we use here. Means here you can say that 3 upon 14 will be less than 3 upon 14 will be less than 3 by 8, right? Why? Because we can write here in bracket the numerator are same. Numerators are same, right? Numerators are same and 14 is greater than 8. अगर 14 greater than 8 है, then this value will be less than this one, right? For this you can say this is the lesser one, this one is greater than. इसके लिए लिख सकते हो this will be less और ये क्या होगा, greater one, right? So for using this, because ये काय की वैल्यू थी, इसकी वैल्यू थी, so 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 will be less than this 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. This will be your answer here. Understand? Just like this you can solve the second one here. Now come to the next. Yes, this is your fifth question. Shelly plants 4 sapling in a row. 4 sapling in a row in her garden, right? Shelly plants 4 sapling. इसने 4 sapling क्या किए? Plants किए row के अंदर. Row means if this is the line, then one is here, second one is here, third one is here, and fourth one here like this, right? Means first one here, second one, then third one, and fourth one here. This is called a row. Means एक line में. And the distance between two adjacent sapling is 3 by 4. Two adjacent means होता है जो पास के है दो. Means this. ये distance हो गई 3 by 4 meter, right? Now find the distance between the first and the last sapling. First, this is your first, right? So first से लेके आपको कहाँ तक की find out करना है? Till the last. You have to find this distance, right? What is this total? So if this is 3 by 4 and this will also be 3 by 4, this will also be 3 by 4. Meter, right? Either you can add this 3, so your answer will be here. You can find by adding this all, right? So solution, number of sapling is 4, the distance between the two adjacent is 3 by 4. So you can write here number of sapling is 4 here, and the distance between two adjacent sapling, the distance between two adjacent sapling is equal to 3 by 4 meter, right, which is given in the question. So distance between the first and last, distance between, it is between, right, first and last, which is equal to 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, right, 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 meter, meter, meter. You can write here. Let us write it at the end. So this will be equal to 3 times, right, it is 3 times of 3 by 4, 3 times 3 by 4, okay, right, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. So you can write here 3 into 3, 3 into 3 by 4, right, now multiply it, 3 into 3 will be 9 by 4, right. Now if you want to convert it, you can convert it into the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction में कैसे convert करोगे? 4 को divide कर दो 9 से, right, 4 to the 8, 1 will remain. So 2 times it is fully divided and 1 is the remainder when you divide it by 4. Meter. This is your answer. Do not forget the unit, right? Here it is in all in meter. This is your answer here. Next, Lipika reads a book for 1/4 hours every day. 1:3 by 4 hour every day, right? 1:3 by 4 hour every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read this book, right? So 6 days में क्या करी, पूरी बुक को रीड कर ले रही, तो कितने आवर्स को टोटली लगे हैं टू रीड दिस बुक? वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस, वी हैव टू फाइंड द आवर्स. सो सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस, इन 1 डे यू कैन राइट हियर इन 1 डे. 1 डे में कितने रीड करिए लिपिका? इन 1 डे लिपिका नीड्स, लिपिका को कितने चाहिए एक दिन के लिए? 1:3 by 4, 1:3 by 4 hour, 1:3 by 4 hour, right? In 6 days, in 6 days, लिपिका needs, 6 days में लिपिका को कितने चाहिएगा? 6 days में 6 days, in 6 days लिपिका needs 6 into 1 डे में इतना, तो उसमें 6 का मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 1:3 by 4, 1:3 by 4, right? Hour, this is the total hour she need, right? Now we have to calculate only this one. So 6 into 1:3 by 4, so you can convert it into proper fraction. 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. Now you can cut it by 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6, 3 sevens are 21 divided by 2, right? Now you can convert it into mixed fraction, so it will be 10:1 by 2 hour. Not answer, it is hour, right? So that much time she need, right? You can write here that Lipika needs 10:1 by 2 hours. Understand? Now 7th question. A car runs 60 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol, and how much distance it covers using, so it is time and distance type questions. It will come in our नेक्स्ट चैप्टर राइट, बुक के अंदर जो चैप्टर आएगा डिस्टेंस इन टाइम का, उसके अंदर बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आएंगे इस टाइप के. यू विल सॉल्व दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन देयर, नॉट सॉल्व राइट नाउ. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. प्रोवाइड द नंबर इन द बॉक्स, प्रोवाइड द नंबर इन बॉक्स such that 2 by 3 multiply with some number, so it will become 10 by 3, 10 by 30. So now what is the number here? You can see just 2 को काय से मल्टीप्लाई 10 आ जाए 5 से, राइट. 2 5 are 10 और 3 को काय से मल्टीप्लाई करें that so that it will become 30 10 से. So 5 by 10 is your answer here in this box. Now the simplest form of the number obtained in is simplest form. So 5 by जो भी नंबर अपने को मिला है, what is the number we have get here? 5 by, this is the answer of first one, and second one 5 by 10 we have got here, right. Now इसका सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म क्या हो सकता है? यू कैन कैंसल आउट इट बाय 2, 5. सो 5 1 जा 5 and 5 2 जा 10. So 1 by 2 is its simplest form. So here in this box you can write 5 by 10 and in this box you can write 1 by 2. It is your answer. Understand? Now second one, provide the number in the box such that the 3 by 5 3 by 5 when you multiply it, it will become 24 upon 75. 24 upon 75, right. Now what will be the number? 3 into 7 8. 3 into 8 will be 24. 3 into 8 will be 24, right. And 15 5s are 75. So 8 by 5 will be your answer in this box. 8 by 15, right. And the simplest form of the number obtained, इसको अपन किसी से भी cancel out नहीं कर सकते, ना ही divide कर सकते. This will be your simplest form. 8 by 15 will be remain your answer. Understand? Now here our exercise is completed. So we will meet on the next exercise. That's all.